Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. Just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset. Click on factory reset. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on delete all. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.